guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a swipe to create some lips. I've already done some prep. I've painted the outside of the lips black using Ivory Black by Artist Loft. Then I put some painter's tape around the edge of the lips, and I've got plastic under the tape because I want to swipe over this without getting paint over here. To get started with the actual painting, I'm laying down all the colors that I'm going to swipe over, starting with crimson. This is brilliant red. This is vermilion. This is orange. And this is brilliant yellow. All the paints that I'm using today are Artist Loft paints, and all the colors that I'm laying down for the base are mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water with 1 drop of silicone. The canvas that I'm using is an 18 by 24 inch canvas, which is roughly 45 by 60 centimeters. And each of the little cups contains about 55 grams of paint mixture. And I actually have 57 grams of paint mixture in the crimson, the cup that has the crimson in it. To prepare for the swipe, I'm laying down Ivory Black, which is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This plastic that I'm swiping with is just a piece of plastic that I cut out of the plastic wrapper that the canvas came wrapped in. By the way, if you'd like an in-depth video showing how I mix my paints for this technique and where I provide a little written summary of the paint ratios that I use, I'll include a link to a video that shows all of that, and I'll link it in the description box so you'll be able to watch it afterwards. I'm using a heat gun just to encourage a few more cells to pop up. I gave the painting a day to dry a bit. It's not fully dry all over yet, but I do want to remove the tape in case some of the paint actually got through the barrier, because I'm thinking it'll be easier to remove any unwanted paint if it's still a little bit wet. Okay, so it came out quite well, but I'm definitely going to still have to clean up the edges. I spent quite a bit of time cleaning the edges. I just wet the paint with a little bit of water, and then I use a toothpick to scrape the paint off. To finish off the painting, I'm adding some titanium white to the center, and then just finishing off the edges with some ivory black. And now, here we go with a bit of a close-up. And then I'll zoom out to show you the finished product. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more fluid acrylic art tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.